morning. Welcome back to part 10 of the chase of waterfalls and other beautiful things here in Oregon. Waking up on what's called Sunset Beach, which I think is pretty appropriate for the sunset we caught last night. That was pretty good. And the stars were fantastic. So you are not allowed to camp on this beach overnight. However, you are allowed to stay on the beach and record the stars. So thankfully, I was allowed to do that. I'm gonna go ahead and work from the beach today, and then we're gonna find somewhere else to camp tonight. All right, let's get back into this adventure. Adventure if you can. Well, all right, that long Monday work day is complete. Sitting on a beautiful, beautiful beach when I've stepped out a couple times to just enjoy and breathe in that air. But it's time, let's go ride the bike. So I'm gonna pack up just a little bit and then let's go ride the bike. Hi, Clifford. So that wasn't the best ride ever. Like, this sand is a little too soft, I think. That's why I tried the road, and the road wasn't much better either. So it was a short ride. Let's get packed up the rest of the way and go find something else to do. Let's go. So sometimes that happens where if I've camped too much like this, it's difficult to close the top. So it wasn't last night, but it was definitely like the night or two ago where it was definitely more like this, and it's been off a little bit since then. So in order to fix it, I'm just gonna have to find a nice big incline like this, park on it, and then reset the truck. So I'll do that before camp tonight, or maybe tomorrow, because camp's not that far. All right, let's get out of here and go get the next campsite. All right, I stopped at this old campsite and fixed the camper. Now that the camper is very good and secure, I think let's go to the gym. Shower, workout, be nice. Let's go do that. So in the constant look for water, I think I just found some fresh drinking water. Let's see if it turns on. Look at that, let's get the hose. What an excellent find, right? Woo! All right, let's keep going to the gym. All right, let's go do some push-ups and get cleaned up. Let's go clean up. Nice and showered up. Let's go see if we can find some close by camping so we can come back to this LA Fitness tomorrow. Maybe swim if we can find close camping. All right, let's go try to do that and get some dinner. It's like late and I'm hungry. Let's go. So I got dinner. It was fast food. I didn't show you because it wasn't very exciting. This is the second spot I've checked so far. I am not having a lot of luck. We might be heading back into the forest. Try one more spot here closer to the city, and then if that doesn't pan out, then we're back to the forest. Let's go. Well, from the beach to the city and back to a rest area, finally for some sleep. Man, I really hoped I found somewhere to sleep closer to the city tonight. But I guess we'll find out what's going on tomorrow. I'm gonna definitely get some sleep. I'm pretty tired. It's after 11 now. And work starts early because, you know, East Coast time. All right, I'll catch you guys up tomorrow. Good night. Good morning and welcome back to the rest stop in Oregon. I'm just sitting here making breakfast. Today's Tuesday and it's a work day, so let's get to it. So now that the work day is over, there's a little trail here right by the rest area, so let's go check that out. This is not the swimming experience that I thought was going to happen today, but a happy accident, right? It's like that, the documentary that, like I said, changed my life, Expedition Happiness. There's a really good quote in there. Less planning means more flexibility. So the less I try to plan, the more flexible I am, and the more I can do whatever's around. So this is what's around. Let's keep going. And that was the trail that's right beside Clifford right now. Let's get a little more workout in. About 2 years ago, like pretty much right after I got the camper, I had these cables, you know, basically the portable gym, and I'd attached it to right here to use it at the back of the camper with just the Velcro. Doing a really big rep, the Velcro snapped, and this metal thing right here came and hit me directly in the back. It really hurt. So, learning from that lesson, carabiner. So, even the parts of life that give us pain also give us teaching. All right, let's continue this workout. That's it for today's workout. Let's get some dinner and a little bit more work going on. Good morning. You know, it's always fun to like come out and see who arrived the night before. All these camper vans and cars. Very cool. It's Wednesday. It's another work day. Gonna work from this fabulous location, and then we're gonna head in and hopefully get that swim finally. Let's get to it. Look how big these ravens are. Is there a chamber door around? All right, the work day is done for a bit, all packed up. Let's fill up some water with that amazing spring water that's still right here, and head for the pool. Let's get to it. Finally, it's time to get some laps in. Let's go. That was a pretty good swim. Let's clean up, get dressed, and go do a couple chores. And then I found a waterfall for us to hike. Let's get to it. Check it out, the dill salad. Chores are all done. We got supplies, we got water, we still got plenty of propane. And now, I just looked, we got about 2 hours of traffic to get to where I want to take you. So let's go get hopped in that fun rush hour time that I usually don't sit in, and make our way to this waterfall. Let's go. So we made it finally to the trailhead after all that driving and traffic and fun. I'm just looking here at the map. Let's talk about it. All right, so according to this trail is closed, right? So you can't do the circuit. I heard about that. So this is paved. So I'm thinking about taking the bike down here and maybe hiking up to that, and then we'll come back and come back. Yeah, let's give that a try. But first, let's walk over to this thing. That is not bad at all for 0.1 from the truck. Like 2 minutes. Wow. All right, I think let's go back and get the bike and go check out those other two. Hopefully I'm not going to regret this, but I did not put on my padded shorts. Let's find out. And that concludes the biking to adventure. Let's start some hiking to adventure. That was a beautiful shot. The drone obviously didn't get destroyed by the water. However, right after I hit stop, it hit the tree and fell and broke the gimbal. So I guess this story was just gonna kill this drone no matter what. But at least we got one more shot. All right, let me put away what's left. Let's hike back. Yes, I hiked up this steep thing too. Hey, my bike. So, you know, Clifford has a name. Should this bike have a name? What do y'all think? Clifford. Well, that was a nice journey, I think. Very pretty waterfalls. Aside from, you know, crashing and killing the drone. I guess it's like not a trip to Oregon unless I crash and kill a drone. This will be 2 to Oregon. All right, let me see what I'm gonna do with that later. Let's go find some camp. It's around sunset. Maybe we'll find some pretty pictures to video pictures, whatever, to grab on the way. Let's go. Found camp. Isn't this fantastic? Pretty level too. -1 and 1. Not too bad. All right, I'm going to finish getting the rest of the stuff in the truck, but first I think I'm going to throw this camera right up there to try to get the Milky Way over that fantastic view. Let's hope we get it. I'll talk to you guys in the morning. Good night. Well, good morning. I think I'm pretty happy with the stars we got last night. That was really cool how the Milky Way came in. We had lots of meteors I saw, and whatever that weird light was that was right under Mount Hood. I don't know. All right, it's Thursday here at Camp Mount Hood, I guess we'll call that. Today's a work day, and then I'm gonna explore around here some more. Definitely parked in a different area than last time. Pretty happy with this spot. Vault toilet, very, very clean here. Woohoo. All right, I'm gonna get my day started, but I'm also gonna close this episode, and I will catch you guys up on the next one. Bye.